Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing this ring light tripod that I got to hopefully help with my YouTube videos, make them a bit clearer, better quality, all of that kind of stuff. And I'm very excited to open this up and reviewing it for you all. On the front of the box, it just has a picture of the thing, and it goes up to 6 feet, which is like taller than me, so that is like scary. And I can't wait to try it out as well. On the side it says tripod with phone mount, broadcast light, and then back here it has like a bunch of information. So it's adjustable color temperature, which I love, adjustable brightness, adjustable stand. It has a foldable tripod, 10-inch LED ring, 360 phone holder, secure lock design, and an extendable stand. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this up, and it's saying you can live stream, face call, e-learning, portrait, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it up now. I got it from TK Maxx, by the way, only for like £20, which is so good, and they had so many there as well. So definitely head to TK Maxx. They might not have it depending on where you live, but probably they might. So there's nothing else in the box. It is just this, so I'm gonna throw that on the floor. It doesn't come with instructions or anything. That's not very convenient, but here it is. Wow. I'm just thinking, oh right, it has a USB cable, so you can just plug it into like a phone charger. So I'll just go bit by, that just fell on the floor, let's hope that's okay. Let's just go bit by bit. So here's the actual ring, and this is the part you put your phone on, and that's how it goes, like that. And then it can turn to be sideways and up, down, everything like that. So nice, which is really cool. The actual ring is like the size of my face, and then this is like the bit, and there's like an on and off thing. So I'm gonna plug this in now. So as I said, it just works with any USB, so like a phone charger like this. So I'm just gonna plug it in. So I've plugged it in. I've just tied my hair back just for convenience. I don't know why this bit is like, I don't know. But I plugged it in, and now I'm gonna turn it on. It's got like an on-off switch, so oh my gosh, look at that. See, it's so much better quality as well, because like as I said, I use like my phone and stuff to film for now, and the quality isn't the greatest and the lighting isn't the greatest either, but then this is really gonna help. So I'm just gonna play around with the remote to see what it can do. So I think this middle button is like switch. Oh yeah, that's a very harsh white light. And then that's like it's like white, but it's not that harsh. And then this one's like yellow. And then you can adjust the brightness. So this is me dimming it, and then brightening it. It has the buttons on the remote. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just put this here and like film normally. But what I'm most excited about is the actual tripod stand, because that will really help with filming. I don't have to just prop my phone up somewhere. I can just film like anywhere I want. So here is the tripod. I'm gonna put it together off camera. I'm gonna film like a separate video on how to actually put it together with the tripod. So I'll link that in the description. I just don't want to make this video too long. And the fact it doesn't come with instructions is a bit confusing, but I will make a video to make it easier if anyone else decides to purchase this. And then this is another bit that it comes with. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that together, and then I will be back and we can test it out. So I have put my light together. That is the tripod, but it was a bit confusing at first. But in my video, the how to put it together video, I showed how to do that. So you need to make sure all these like twisty bits here are very, oh, see what I mean? You need to make sure they're very secure, so you need to twist them very tightly so that this doesn't flop about the place. And then this is my phone. This is my old phone actually. But with this you can like adjust it like that and however you want, and do it like that or that. So if you want to take pictures. So now I'm gonna switch on to filming on this phone and we'll see how it looks from this angle. So okay, yeah. Hi guys, I know this is like a really weird angle. I'm very like up close and this phone is very zoomed in as well. So I'm just trying to like adjust it in like a good way. I think that's okay. I don't know, it looks really weird, but just excuse that. So I'm just gonna play with the different settings. That is the like really white light. Just trying to see how to like, oh, I know this is like so weird, but I think I need to adjust it a bit more with the, is it adjustable from this side? Oh, and there's a bit at the back as well that you need to tighten so that your phone isn't flopping. There we go, that helped a lot. So, oh my. Okay. Okay, I think I've got it good and adjusted now. So that is the really white light. And then this is the white light, but not as harsh. Then this is again the yellow one. So now I'm just gonna play around with the brightness. You can dim it. That's like really dimmed. I'll just move between them. And then, oh, and now I want to see how it looks in like a fully dark room. So I'm gonna turn off my lights and we'll see how it looks when it's like fully like pitch black dark. Okay, this looks really good. I think I'm gonna like start filming in the dark from now on because this makes me like look really good. So I'm just gonna switch through the settings again, see how it looks in the dark. Oh, that one's a bit scary, but I like this one and this one. I think I'll make it the brightest it can be. So I really like this. I'm definitely going to be filming more videos. This has motivated me because it just looks so much better. So if I am like filming in the dark, just, I don't know. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the review of my tripod ring light that's like standing in front of me right now. Let's get the box. This tripod ring light, and I hope you found it useful, helpful, and if, as I said, if you want to buy one, they are most likely going to be in your local TK Maxx. I got mine from the one in Glasgow city centre. I don't know what it's called, like what street it's on, but there's only one in Glasgow city centre, so I'm pretty sure you know which one that is. And it was only £20, and again, as I said, you can get them from Amazon as well if you don't find them, but they had millions there anyway, so I'm sure you'll be fine. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. That would really help the channel out a lot, and be sure to subscribe and check out some of my other videos as well, and comment any questions you have down below. Anything that's like sort of confusing, I could probably make another video on that. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye!